Good morning, Facebook. So here we are. It's our last day right here in Long Beach. Like I said yesterday, originally thought it was red oak. The floor was painted like an orangey kind of color. It just looked like red oak. Really don't know what it is until uh, when it's that orangey. It's kind of hard to tell the difference between red and white. But once we cut a piece of wood, realized it was white oak instead of red. So go ahead, turn this around. We got everything on. Second coat's on. So right now we're gonna start doing some buffing, and just get everything out, and then get ready for the final coat. But take a look. So as you can see, there's a little difference in this area right here. Was just basically taken out. There's a lot of nails in the wood, so the customer wanted those replaced. So we took out from that wall all the way to about that line right there. So that's all new wood. So slight difference in color, just because brand new wood versus 50 something year old wood. Okay, but other than that, everything looks really good. Got the stain here. Okay, this is the first room. It's our office. Okay, so again, he's gonna buff everything out right now, and then we are gonna apply our last layer of finish, which is satin. Okay, closet's done. Okay, next bedroom. Okay, so that's pretty much that. Everything looks good. Gonna put on the last layer right now, and that should be done. Everything looks beautiful. So everybody have a great day. Take care, everybody.